Welcome Solid Rock family, doing a very quick random video. Today I'm just doing something special, for those who love vinyl records and stuff like that. Today is Wednesday, December 15, 2021. Merry Christmas to one and all when it comes, and enjoy. I hope that everyone is well and good health finds everyone, right? So today I'm heading to Saavy Vinyls. It's one of my favorite local record stores, and we're gonna do a special unboxing. It's located at 28 Laurie Street, Melbourne, Florida, right? Saavy Vinyl Records with my favorite homegirl, Snap, right? Trust me, she's a breath of fresh air, full of life, and a great lover of music. I mean, extraordinary lover of music. So just like myself. So you're gonna witness that today at 28 Laurie Street, Melbourne, Florida, right? Saavy Vinyls. So tune in. So right now we're heading in, right? Check it out. So, drum roll. What's in the box? Let it happen. Let it happen.
A little excitingness in here.
Let it.
We're gonna go through the sides here. We've been waiting for
Oh man, I've been waiting for this all year.
What, this music?
Yes.
Is that Savannah?
There's the Savannah. She's been released. Okay, here we go.
Oh man, look at the bubble wrap. Look at the bubble wrap.
Hold it and everything.
Snap, you got me. All right, snap.
You're recording, right? You're
Yeah.
recording?
Yes.
Wait, what are you getting?
Big-
We're
big-
unboxing.
We're
You
unboxing
want to be in it?
a special
Yes,
vinyl.
Another
Go
box.
get in it.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
All right, Sam, get in there. This is Sam. Claire, come and watch this. This is a present.
Hang on.
What is
Okay,
it?
here we go.
Oh, wait.
All
Ooh.
the sides. Oh. Okay. All right. Where'd those scissors go? Did I throw those too? Okay. We're gonna go for the sides first, right?
Watch out. She has scissors. We're in trouble.
These scissors are not sharp.
Sam, is this going on your blog?
Yes.
Oh,
Good.
hello world.
Yes. And by the way, the interviews are gonna come soon too.
Oh, I love it.
Here we go. Oh. Here we go. It's another box.
More cardboard.
You know who it is. You gotta work for it. Oh.
Oh, it's in here.
Oh,
Oh man. Oh. Oh.
Come back, Sam.
Hello, nurse. How you doing? Okay. I know.
That is huge.
Hang on, I might need your help. This thing is. You got it? My fingers. Oh my good lord. Oh. Congratulations! It's a prince.
Yes.
Woo.
That's
Is this a
gorgeous.
Wow.
That is the 12 LP, bad boy, biggest box.
13.
Oh, 13. I apologize.
Tripping.
13.
Tripping.
One to girl on.
13. There you go.
13 LP box set.
Sign of the times.
Look,
Special edition.
it's like extra on here. You can see it, like at an angle.
He was a
That's
musical
sweet.
genius. He was.
Yeah, most definitely.
This is
We're
treasure.
gonna, yeah, here we should say
I
this.
can lift weights with this.
Yeah, it's super heavy. That is so heavy. Okay, you got
I
it?
never had such a hard time pulling out a vinyl.
Oh my god. That's beautiful.
That's it. That's
All right.
This song.
Oh.
It was a vibe. It was a vibe. As you can see, it was the unboxing of the Prince special edition version of one of his most popular albums, Sign of the Times. I've been wanting this album all year, man, and to get it around nearly Christmas time, it's one of the best things for me, man. That's a highlight, right? Because to be honest with you, that album is my favorite Prince album. You know what I'm saying? At the Sign of the Times. you know, very 80s. But even though it was made in the 80s, it still has like a futuristic sound. That album is ahead of its time, you know. So I'm happy, and I hope that you guys enjoy the vibe as well. Solid Rock Entertainment tuning out. Until next time.